Okay, so hey guys, I'm JD. This is the old motherboard I just pulled out of my computer. I had a Core 2 Duo in it with a 8 gigs of RAM. The North Bridge actually just recently got fried on it, so I can't use that anymore. And it's fine because I had the heatsink zip tied on there because I didn't have anything else. But I switched back to my old system, which I have a AMD Athlon, not X2, nothing, just legitimately an AMD Athlon. Uh, yeah, so I can't do very much with it, and going into college for IT careers is kind of hard to work with. But I'm trying. I'm trying. Also, apparently my monitors are worth more than my entire system, so there's that. And cat.